Ilang tulog na lang will say goodbye to 2019 and say hello to 2020. And syempre usually kasama na rin dito yung mga bagong gadgets, mga bagong smartphones na i-release. And when it comes to flagships, ang nauuna usually is the Samsung Galaxy S series. They usually launch mga February every year. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and in this video, let's talk about what we know about the Samsung Galaxy S11 so far. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to join our giveaways. We have two ongoing giveaways. Yung una is the Realme 5 sa Instagram to, so make sure to follow us there. And the second one is for a RockSpace Package worth over 7,500 pesos. Everything will be in the description box below. Check nyo na lang, sali na kayo guys. So bakit nga ba super excited ko for the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S11 provided na syempre hindi naman lahat afford yon, 'di ba? Well, there are two reasons. First is, I make tech videos because I like tech. So I want to know kung ano yung mga merong bagong innovations na pwede nating i-expect next year. And secondly, hindi man lahat afford yung S11 or yung mga flagships na darating. Eventually naman kasi yung ibang features ng flagships nagiging available na rin sa mga mid-range devices, sa mga mas affordable na phones. So it's really exciting to know what's in store when it comes to smartphones next year. So what do we know about the Samsung Galaxy S11 series so far? There are 5 things. Una dito is mas maraming regions ang magkakaroon ng Snapdragon chipset instead of the Exynos one. Kasi for the longest time, some places like the US, yan, naka-Qualcomm Snapdragon yan. Dito sa Philippines, naka-Exynos tayo. So for the first time ever, it's possible na yung makuha natin is the Qualcomm Snapdragon version. Reports say that Samsung intends to use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 variant over the Exynos 990 in all regions except Europe. They say it's because of the rumored difference in performance, and of course Samsung wants to catch up with other brands in terms of flagship phone performance. The second thing is that the Samsung Galaxy S11 series will have a 108 megapixel sensor. I know hindi na sila yung nauna dito, nagkaroon na yung Xiaomi Mi Note 10 nito this year, but you guys also already know na hindi lang naman megapixel count yung important to take that nice, perfect picture. Dapat maganda yung sensor, yung image processing, and the S11 will use a special 108 megapixel ISOCELL sensor that's reported to be better than the Mi Note 10's ISOCELL HMX sensor. Of course, we need to see actual pictures to know if it's as great as they say it is, but it seems really promising. Aside from the huge sensor, there will be a 5x periscope zoom camera with OIS. There are also news that the S11 will have a pretty big camera bump because of the Penta rear camera setup. The third thing is the 120Hz panel. I'm super excited for this one kasi sobrang na-in-love ako sa OnePlus 7T Pro and sa OnePlus 7 Pro because of the 90Hz refresh rate. Paano pa kaya to? 120Hz. So I'm sure it's gonna be more fluid, mas maganda pa yung experience all around. So very excited about this. As for the size, it looks like the S11 will have a 6.7-inch display, the S11 Plus will have a bigger one, obviously at 6.9 inches, and the S11e will have a 6.4-inch panel. Fourth, we can expect bigger batteries from the S11 series than the S10 series. So the S11 will have a 4,500 mAh battery and the Plus version will have a 5,000 mAh battery. I just hope that it will come with fast charging out of the box. And last, Samsung will not launch the S11 series in Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Instead, parang this year they'll have their own event in San Francisco, and the date is rumored to be on February 18. Now, aside from S11, mukhang may isa pa silang ilo-launch na folding phone, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, if yun nga itatawag nila doon. And it seems to be parang similar sa nilaunch ng Motorola this year. Papasok pa lang ang 2020, ang dami ng exciting news sa tech. But I hope that you guys stay with us and watch our hands-on video when we do get our hands on the device. And yeah, actually guys, that's it for this video. I just really wanted to share what we know about the S11 so far to get you excited for next year. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!